Sawadee Cup. Welcome to Easy Thai Lessons, Lesson 7. And I'm going to continue on with the nouns like I did before. This will be meats and miscellaneous foods. There's not really a lot in this one, but I mean, these are common items that will be found in Thailand, that Thai people will definitely be using on a common daily basis. So, let's get started.
Seafood in general is ahan tale. Mussels are hoi maleng pu. Squid is plamuk. Shrimp is gung. Lobsters are gungam gram. Fish is blah. Crab is pu. Fish sauce is nampla, and squid brand is the best, of course. Beef is nuh. Pork is moo. Chicken is gai. Egg is kai. Coffee is gafe. Bread is kanom pang. Salt is glua. Sugar is namtan. Butter is nui. Cheese is nui kang. Rice is cow. Fish sauce with chilies is priknampla. Noodles are goetio. Milk is nom. Tea is cha. And vegetable oil is nammanput.
Okay, so I told you it was going to be short. So let's review a little bit. Now, if you remember before, I said 1 is nung, 2 is song, 3 is sam. Now, I'll cover numbers in another lesson, but it's just going to work with these 3 for now. So let's say you want to buy 1 kilo of chicken. So, yak, I would like or want to, and su, which is a high tone, meaning buy. I covered that before. And then gai. So, yak su gai lo nung. Want to buy chicken, kilo 1. Let's say you want to buy 3 kilos of chicken. Yak su gai samlo. Now, do you see what I've done here? I have reversed the number and the classifier. Whenever you buy one object and you're using the classifier with it, you always use the classifier before the actual numerical value. Okay? And of course, the numerical value will be 1 in this case. But if you're going to buy more than one item, you always put the numerical value in front of, the classifier. It always precedes the classifier. Okay, so for the word to like is chop. Okay, pum chop. Pum chop gai. I like chicken. Now, I already gave you the first half of that. I want you to pause, think it out, and I want you to say, I like chicken, but I don't like beef. Now hit pause. Okay, so I like chicken, but I don't like beef. Pum chop gai, da my chop nuh. Pretty damn simple. From here on in, well, actually you should be doing this all the time. I want you to hit pause, and I want you to think it out. So Now let's talk about the word and, okay, the conjunction. There are two real common words to use. Now there's the and when you want to join sentences together or join phrases or ideas. But if you're joining two objects together, then it would be something different. Let's say I like chicken and I like pork. Pum chop guy la pum chop mu la is and, but that's only used to, like I said, to conjoin phrases, ideas, or sentences together. But if you have two items that need to be put together, they're just two individual nouns, then you would use the word gap. Now, you have chicken, guy, and then you have rice, cow. Okay. Now we gotta fill in this gap here. Okay. Chicken, gap, rice, and hey, gap, guy, gap, cow. Pretty damn simple. Now, gap is with, but it could also mean and when you are joining two nouns together. Okay? It's really easy, and the more you practice it, it'll be a lot easier for you. Okay, so now let's say that you're in Thailand and you go to the market, the talat, and you go up to a street vendor and he just happens to have some fruit, meats, and some cooked items such as chicken and rice. So you go up to him and you say, I would like to buy 2 mangoes and I want to buy some chicken and rice. In this case, chicken with rice. Okay, so I want you to pause and I want you to think this out. Okay, so I want to buy 2 mangoes and some chicken with rice. So you would say,ผมอยากซื้อมะม่วง2 ใบและผมอยากซื้อไก่กับข้าว Okay. Now, that's pretty simple right there. Now that's 2 ideas joined with la. Now you got both words in there, la and gap, in that sentence. Okay. Okay, so you go to the vendor again and you tell him that you want to buy 2 mangoes, and you want to get 3 kilos of pork, but you don't want any rice. So pause that and think about it real quick. Okay, so you could say ผมอยากซื้อมะม่วง2 ใบและผมอยากซื้อหมู3 โลแต่ไม่เอาข้าว You know, I say that slowly because I'm actually thinking, but it can get really easy, and you guys got to make sure that you're buying other books. Now, real quick, I wanted to review something real quick. I want to introduce a few books that you might want to get yourself. And fuck it, you want to get yourself, okay? First of all, this right here. Thai for Beginners by Benjamin Pumsam Becker. Okay? It's a great book, and it teaches you not only 400 to 500 words in Thai, but you also get to learn how to read and write in Thai as well. So again, Thai for Beginners is excellent. She also makes a book called the Thai English Dictionary. This is not without its shortcomings, but it's still a pretty decent dictionary. There's also Conversational Thai in 7 Days, and there's even Lonely Planet's Phrase Book in Thai. And these are all some pretty decent books for the beginner. go to Amazon.com and buy these used. Alright? It's going to be a hell of a lot cheaper for you. Why the hell would you need to buy them brand new? Unless you're just compulsive like that. But anyways, though, yeah, you should definitely have these, you know, other than watching videos like mine and other people's videos. You need to have actual resources, you know. You can't always be watching, you know, these videos all the time. So, anyways, though, the next video will cover a hell of a lot more. And until then, Sawadee Cup, Cup Kun Ma Cup, and I'll see you in Lesson 8.